Alright, here we are, July 1st. Finally got to open my fireworks. This is the 200 gram here. The bump and grind. Red Spike. Heavenly Delight. Blue tie with brocade. Bag cake. 1-2 punch. Blue pearl. Party time. Bump and grind. Some frostburn. Let me come over here. Got a few rockets here. These are professional series. United Pyro. Professional series 1 through 8. And come down here. We got one of our Roman candle buckets. Come down here. We got some artillery shells. All canisters, 60 grams per shot. Over here we got 2 more crates, 60 grams per shot. Under here, some more, got about 580 of those. Over here we got some more Roman candles, another bucket, Roman candle bucket. Then over to the 500 gram cakes. Get Dysfunctional Reality, United Pyro, Yin and Yang, Atomic Funk, Winner Take All, Unforgettable, Florida Yard Dog, Nasty Nines, Brocade Willows, and Chrysanthemums, 3-inch. Feel the United Pyro, Flying Fish Zoom Power, SWAT Team, American Pride. Got Bad to the Bone, American Power. Got a Black Cat Creole Crackle. This is the big stuff. Another United Pyro, Who's Your Daddy, Dahlias and Bouquets, got some High Voltage by Black Cat, some Gimme Shimmy, Red, White, and Beautiful, some Colorful Carnies, it's probably the best firework out there, Kaleidoscope Z, Thug, Venom 49 shot, Jumbotron. Here we got Palm Party, Just Light It, 4 of those, Flame Tails, 4 of those, H2O, got a Fireworks Fiesta, Lidu brand, Future War, License to Thrill. Come over on the other side, we've got those 250 shot Night Sky Breakers, 12 of those. And we come over to the other side, we've got a case of Pow Bams, a case of Devil Dogs, a case of Hot Stuff, a case of Megatron, a case of Code 420, Magnitude 9.9, Pyro 1, 2, 3, 4, another case of Pow Bams, case of Code 420s, case of this is the Beyond Reality, 8 of them, case of Fast and the Furious, case of Alarm Tripper, case of Willow Kings, case of Hopped Up, case of Scream of Mimi. Then we got one of our set of racks here. This don't have all the racks out, but here's one of the set of racks. And then over here to our rocket board, we'll be lighting off 40 rockets all at once. So So that's what I've got so far, and maybe I'll do some videos of some lighting some stuff off over the next couple of days.